Oh my goodness, that's a fantastic.
Thank you.
Accessible. Okay, sorry. Souktel is the first service in the developing world to connect people who are looking for work with employers who have jobs to offer using simple mobile technology. We are based in Ramallah in Palestine. We're a team of Palestinians, Canadians, and Americans who have come together because we identified a very specific problem in our community, which was that young people graduating from school and entering the labor market did not have good ways to find out where work was located. Infrastructure, as you can see here, is very poor. Internet access, quite limited. Government services, very minimal as well. And so real challenges if you're a young person trying to find your first job, you don't know where to look. At the same time, there are a lot of jobs available. This is a street near our main office in Ramallah. And employers are facing the same challenge, which is how do we find skilled labor? How do we know where workers are located? So what we did was leverage a technology that's fairly prevalent already in the region, which is basic mobile phones. Over 80% of Palestinians use mobile phones, and specifically the text messaging feature, which is available on any phone handset and is really cheap. So using that technology, we developed a simple service which lets job seekers send a series of messages, text messages, with information about their location, their skill set, their availability to work. And all of that goes to a central hotline, and it's uploaded to a service that employers can then search. So you as a young person are no longer anonymous, you're now searchable. At the same time, employers can create simple text message job ads with information about work that's available, and those become searchable by job seekers. So, hold on one moment, and I'm happy to take your questions. So what happens is, if you're a young woman, for example, traditionally your family may be reticent to let you go out in person and look for work. Now you can enter your qualifications through text messages, and you can then search and look for a job opportunity. In this case, a job in the media sector is what this young woman found by looking on her phone for available work. She then contacts the employer based on contact details listed in this little SMS job ad, and she attends an interview. The interview in this case went well, and now she's hired. So the service in a nutshell helps people save time, save money, and reach out to a greater number of individuals when they're looking for staff or looking for jobs. We run it...
so you have this woman, she put in her credentials and her phone number. Is she going to be okay at the end of this process, or somebody can now target her because they know her personal contact information?
It's anonymized so that, or it's coded so that her name doesn't appear on the service and her phone number doesn't appear. Absolutely. The service operates in 12 countries in partnership with nonprofit organizations and mobile networks through funding from the State Department and USAID. Questions?
Yes, how do you reach the job seekers and the employers to educate them about the service?
Typically, we reach job seekers through partnerships with universities or training institutions rather than open marketing. And the employers, we do very direct, targeted meetings with chambers of commerce or trade associations to get employers on board. So that's a kind of two-pronged approach. Other questions?
So what's your business model?
The job seekers and the employers each pay access to the service.
3, 2, 1.
Everyone stop talking and move to the next station.